You have definitely seen these Roblox story videos on YouTube, and this niche is currently exploding right now. This YouTube channel has gained 1.7 million subscribers just by posting Roblox cartoon videos, and almost every second video on this channel is sitting at millions of views. And the best part, you can create this exact style of content for totally free. I am going to show you the full method right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, head over to the description below where I have already written a master prompt for you. Copy the full master prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT and hit enter. It will ask you to choose your story mode. I am selecting comedy mode, which is number 2. Hit enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide you video prompts for every single scene, including a full YouTube ready content package. And if you want a completely different story idea, just type next, and it will generate a brand new one instantly, which means your content ideas never run out. Copy scene 1 prompt and head over to Google Flow. Choose the video option and select OmniFlash as your video model. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In just a few seconds, your first video scene will be ready. Now, here are 2 methods you can follow to generate the remaining scenes, and both work perfectly. The first method is to click on your generated video, click the 3 dots, and choose Add to Prompt. Then copy scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. The second method is to open the first video, save the very last frame by clicking this button. Then click on that saved frame, click the 3 dots, choose animate, and paste the next scene prompt in. This second method creates a perfectly continuous flow between scenes. Use whichever method feels more natural to you, and repeat the exact same process until all your video scenes are generated. When all your scenes are done, download them and import everything into your video editor. Place the clips in the correct sequence from beginning to end. Remove any unwanted parts and add transitions between scenes if you want a smoother feel. Hit export, and your Roblox video is completely ready to go viral on YouTube. Let's see the final result.
Don't let them fall! Run! Lunch is waiting!
Whoa!
Catch them!
What happened?
These aren't real!
Hey! Oops.
Got you!
No fair!
I'm sorry.
Next time, no tricks.
Now let's eat!
Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.